Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Christina, and on my channel, I share money saving deals and tips. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the best deals I got at Walmart for the week. So a lot of these deals I got using a new app that I got called Zardy. So I'm going to walk you through that app and how I use it, as well as all the other deals. I'll walk you through it step by step. That way you can see exactly how I did it. Of course, at the end of the video and at the end of almost all of my videos, I show pictures of items that I found on clearance while I was in the store. I want to provide you with a couple of updates from last week. So I said something fun was going to be coming out, and that video is a frequently asked questions video on the Brand Club app. So a few months ago, I came out with a tutorial on how to use the Brand Club app. It was like one of my favorite apps because it was giving me money back on items that I was buying already. And so I was loving it, and I did a full tutorial. I will link that down for you in the video description box if you want to check it out. But as we have been using it, and I say we, me and my followers have been using it, we've come up with some questions that we have about the app. So I have been in contact with Brand Club over the last week. We've been talking back and forth and have come up with a frequently asked questions list and answers from them. So I will be coming out with that video tomorrow. It will also be a giveaway video. So that is the exciting part for you guys. I love being able to do giveaways for y'all because I really do appreciate you. Literally wouldn't be able to do this without you. So thank you so much for your support. Last week, I also mentioned that I was having like pain in my hip. I don't know how much in detail I went, but sometimes it's so bad, like I literally can't walk. So I saw a new doctor last week who has asked me to go for an MRI. So I go for an MRI tomorrow. I hate everything about this. I just want to be healthy, and I want to be able to do the things that I want to do. So thank you for your support in that. I know a lot of you have dropped me encouraging words, and I don't even know what I want them to find. Like, I don't want them to find what he thinks it is, because that might require surgery, and I'm not doing that. Like, I don't want that. But I don't know what I want him to find. Like something simple, you know, like take a couple Tylenol and you'll be good. Like, that's what I want them to find. But I just don't think that's going to be the case this time. Okay, let's talk about the deals, because that is way more fun than not being able to walk. So the Back to the Roots potting mix. Not all the Walmarts carry it, but the one I was at yesterday surely did. It is $5.98, and on Ibotta, there is a rebate for $5, making this bag of potting mix just 98 cents. And I know we've been working on a backyard project for over a year now, and it will likely last for 1 or 2 more years. But it's such a great time. The weather has been beautiful. So great deal on that if you're doing some planting and need some potting mix, or if you're just trying to hit your Ibotta bonuses. Literally, I think that's the only Ibotta offer I did this week. How is that even possible? There was an offer for a free Tazo tea. I can't find it at my store, but if you can, definitely snag that. A couple new freebies popped up in the app this morning. So if you use Ibotta, check and see if you got the high key cookies. I believe that was a Target deal. And then there was the peanut butter cups. That was at multiple stores. So check and see if you have those new freebies that dropped in the app early this morning. Okay, let's talk about the non-food stuff. These Tresemme shampoo and conditioners, they're priced at $4.94. Now, I was able to find a $2 peely on the front of this. That means I paid $2.94. I then submitted my receipt to the Shopkick app, where I got back $3.60, making this item completely free and a 66-cent moneymaker. So if you can find 2 of those Peely coupons, you could get a shampoo and a conditioner and make, $1 and something. buying both of them. Someone at my store had peeled all the peelies off, and so I was only able to find one peely, so that's why I grabbed just one of them. Now, these Curad products. So these I have been looking for and finally found them at this new store I went to yesterday, but it was like on an end cap near the Band-Aids. This is the Antibacterial Bandages. They're priced at $2.97. The Shopkick app was giving back $2, making this just 97 cents. Now, I have heard from other people that they're finding like a wrap that's less than $2, so they're able to get that completely free with the Shopkick app. I was not able to find that at my store. Now, if you're not using Shopkick already, it's a super simple app and I love it. Grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $5 when you scan that first receipt. And of course, it's free to use that app and there's lots of great deals. They just change every once in a while, so always double check your app before you do your shopping. This is another one that I grabbed. I got it last week as well. This Suave deodorant is $1.18. The Shopkick app is giving back $1.20, making it completely free and a 2-cent moneymaker. Now, I think the rest of these deals I'm going to talk about involve either Brand Club or Zardy. So both of those apps are a little bit different. They're not like a true cashback app. What Zardy does is you get some points for scanning and purchasing a product, but then you get substantially more points for answering questions about the product. So right after you buy it, you answer like 5 to 7 questions and you get some points. A week later, you'll get a follow-up in your app with questions like, how did you like the product? Did you like the flavor? What did you like the texture? Some of the questions are a little oddball, but then you get the rest of the points back at that time. And I've been able to snag groceries like food for my family for free, money makers, or just like pennies on the dollar. So for me, I think it's worth the extra few minutes that I take to do those quick surveys about the product. Plus, I'm weird. I enjoy giving brands my feedback and trying out new products. Like, that's just fun for me. So let me tell you about some of those deals that I did. The Great Value Sour Cream. Oh, and I should mention, so this app works only with Walmart. So a lot of the products are the Great Value brands, the Walmart brands. And then when I cash out to Walmart gift cards. So literally, I cashed out to a Walmart gift card from doing those surveys and use those gift cards to pay for these items. So $0 came out of my bank account, and then I do the surveys and I get more gift cards. So the next week I will be doing the same thing, 0 out of pocket, and just kind of continuing to roll that money. Okay, but this is what I did. So this sour cream is $1.16. The Zardy app is going to give me 95 cents back, leaving me to pay just 21 cents for the sour cream. The yogurt, this is priced at $1.92. The Zardy app gave me 95 cents back, making my final cost just 97 cents. The cottage cheese. So this one is $1.83. The Zardy app gave me $1, making it just 83 cents. And so I know my mom, when she made lasagna, she would always use cottage cheese in her lasagna. I'm trying to think of other ways that we've used cottage cheese. Mostly when I use it, I don't just eat it straight. I don't eat a lot of dairy products to begin with. But a lot of times it's like in Italian recipes that I end up using cottage cheese. The cinnamon roll. So this one's exciting. I can't wait to make these. These are $1.48. The Zardy app is giving back $1.15, making these just 33 cents. This kind of shocked me. When I checked out, I didn't look at the price of this. It was actually a little bit more expensive than I thought. This Lunchable rang up $1.74. Almost $2. I don't feel like they're normally that much. I know like Target does back to school 10 for $10, so they're $1 a piece. Much better price. But I went ahead and got this because it was a Zardy offer. It's $1.74. You get 96 cents back on the Zardy app, making it 78 cents total. Now, okay, I didn't realize this. I was playing around in the app yesterday and it showed me like my rank. And I'm like, okay, what is my rank? What does that even mean? Like, why does that matter? Apparently the top 3 earners for the week, like the people who have redeemed the most offers, get bonuses. And I'm pretty sure it was like $250, $100, and $50 for first, second, and third place. Hello, $250 for redeeming offers. Like, and you see these offers are like 97 cents after you get the cash back. That would be a ridiculous moneymaker. So one week, I'm going to be trying to come in number 1, 2, or 3. Don't know what week that will be, but a week that I can dedicate some time to being at Walmart and buying all of the Zardy offers. If you're using that app and you've ever gotten in like the top 5, let me know down below because that really interests me because I think I can win. Like y'all think I can win, right? And if I win, I could do like another giveaway. Like that would be awesome. So stay tuned for that. Okay, more offers. The carrots, and this is, Zardy has some like totally free offers, and a lot of times they come out to be moneymakers. These frozen carrots are 84 cents, getting back $1.08 on Zardy, making them completely free, and a 24-cent moneymaker. There was an offer for free, and it might have been a moneymaker, on their salt, the Great Value salt. My store was out of it. It seems weird that my store would be completely out of their own name brand or their own brand salt, but they were out of it. But that brings me to another point. The baking aisle, which is where I was looking for the salt, tons of markdowns. So I'll include those pictures at the end of the video, but lots of markdowns on the baking aisle in my store. Okay, these cookies, $1.48. It had to be the vanilla ones, unfortunately. Who wants vanilla cookies? $1.48, get $1 back on Zardy, making them just 48 cents. So those will be another food bank donation for us. The last 2 offers I want to tell you about are not Zardy, they're Brand Club offers. I told you that each week I will update you on which of these surveys have credited. So with Brand Club, you get money back for buying brands that are part of their app, and they have tons of brands, right? So every time you buy a product, you get a little bit of cash in your account. The next time you buy the product, you get that money unlocked. So that's why it's considered brand loyalty, because you're getting rewarded for continually buying the same brands over and over again. But they also have surveys that you can do. And when you do those surveys, you'll get like $2, $3, $2.50 in your account that are locked rewards. And of course, I'm gonna talk more about this in the FAQ video tomorrow. But when you purchase a product, it then unlocks that survey money. But I know that people have had some issues. So I told you I would let you know week to week which ones have worked for me. So last week I only bought 2 Brand Club items. I bought Eggo waffles and I bought the Always pads. The Always credited, the Eggo waffles did not. Why? I don't know. Like that's some of the questions that I've been talking with them about and answers that I will provide you with tomorrow on what to do when that happens. So this week I bought 2 products. I bought the Paw Patrol string cheese, priced at $3.50. I had done a Brand Club survey for $2.75. When I bought this, it unlocked 9 cents for me automatically. And now I'm just waiting to get that survey money unlocked because it's sitting as pending retailer confirmation right now. But if that goes through, it would be just 66 cents for this bag of string cheese. Same thing with the Cheerios. These Cheerios, $3.98 for the big family size box. I had done a Brand Club survey for $3. I also got 10 cents back with Brand Club. So if both of those end up hitting after that pending retailer confirmation, it would be a total of 88 cents for the box of Cheerios, which is a great price. So those are the deals that I did at Walmart this week. If y'all have questions, drop them down in the comment section below. if you get your brand club questions in super quick, I will be able to include those in the FAQ video that I am putting out tomorrow. I'll actually be filming it later today. So drop those questions just as soon as you can. And if you're not watching this in real time, what's today? Today is Wednesday. So if it's Wednesday and you are watching, drop those brand club questions down below and I will hopefully get you those answers in my video coming out tomorrow. Thanks.